This is Prime 7 News at 6 with Natalie Forrest.
Good evening. Additional Central West firefighters are flying to the Adelaide Hills tonight. They're part of an army of New South Wales RFS volunteers being sent to relieve exhausted fire crews ahead of what local crews have labelled a second onslaught.
They're the first on the ground when a fire breaks out in our hometowns. And now our local RFS volunteers are on a special flight to the Adelaide Hills to relieve and back up exhausted crews on the front line. That's because the next 48 hours will be crucial. Conditions are expected to deteriorate and temperatures to soar. And it'll be a fight the CFS cannot win alone. That's why Western New South Wales have put together a Region West strike force. 20 trucks and 140 volunteers are to join ramped up efforts in difficult firefighting terrain.
Tomorrow they're looking at 40 odd degree temperatures and strong gusty norwesterly winds again, so they could well be in the thick of it as of tomorrow.
The volunteers will then work around the clock for 3 days, and then reinforcements will be sent to take up their shift on the front line. Now, if you remember, it was just over a year ago when our firefighters were getting much needed help from the interstate, combating fires in Lithgow and the Blue Mountains.
It's good to go and help other people. They'll come and help us when we need it. And there's plenty of houses and that getting lost, and so the more you can save, the better.
20 RFS volunteers have flown out of Dubbo and Orange Airport today. They'll join another 100 RFS volunteers who land in Adelaide tonight. Phoebe Moore, Prime 7 News.